The story of Evelyn Glennie is about an aspiring musician whose most biggest problem was that she was deaf. Now, the name of the girl is Evelyn Glennie. She was standing on the railway station one day and was waiting for the train. Then she could realize the vibrations were felt by her lower part, lower body part. She was going to join the Royal Academy of Music, London. At the age of 11, she detected that she was deaf, and for 3 years she hid it from her parents and teachers. But it was found out because her marks started deteriorating. Her mother went to a specialist, and then she got the information that her child was a deaf. Now, this was not the end of Evelyn Glennie. She was very determined to do it. She did not give it up. Suddenly, she developed an interest in playing the xylophone. So, she was encouraged by a music teacher to learn the xylophone. And the music teacher was none other than Ron Forbes. Soon, she started feeling the vibrations of all the musical instruments, and from then on, she did not stop. She could feel the different notes of the drums, the xylophone, the violin, the guitar by different body parts. That means the lower body parts and the upper body part. She would go on a stage barefoot so that she can feel the sensation or the vibrations, and the stage was to be made up of wooden block so that she can feel the vibration. So this was the journey, the hard journey of Evelyn Glennie, which was full of determination and strong will. She became a famous musician and did solo performances. Later, she received awards and even learned Japanese and French. Her speech was very clear. She gave free concerts for the deaf children and the children as well as in the prisons. The children took the inspiration. Yes, she was an inspiration for the children who were in the prison. She organized concerts, performances for those who were deaf as well as not in the proper condition to hear, or they were blind. So she wanted them as well to develop the love for music. And the children were inspired by saying that if she can do it, we can also, or I can too. That means if she is eligible or can learn the music, then why can't we? So that's the end of the chapter Evelyn Glennie, which is part 1 of Beehive book. So we'll move to the next video or part 2, that is Ustad Bismillah Khan in the same chapter. Till then, bye bye. Wait for the next video.